Hi, my name's Nicole and I'm 17 years old. I went to Stanwell School. I'm currently at Cardiff and Vale College studying level 3 sport. I found out about Cardiff and Vale College through a friend actually, and online videos from other students saying they've experienced here. I don't have a specific highlight, but I love the facilities here, all the people here, as they all have the same interests as me, which is sport. On the course we've studied different things to do with the human body, like human anatomy, muscles, joints, all the practical sessions including sport coaching, sport leadership. We've also done research methods, which is important in uni as well, so we've already done that, and there's many other different sport related things to do as well. My sport and passion is tennis as the main one. I also enjoy running and gym, and with the facilities here I can do gym here as well. There's a running track here, so I make use of running track. Once I finish college, I'm hoping to go to American uni for a tennis scholarship where I can progress my tennis and maybe get into sport coaching or tennis coaching. If I was at Stanwell now, I'd definitely recommend to a friend to come to Cardiff and Vale College, we could do A-levels here as well, but they could do a sport course like I'm doing here.